Welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So let me tell you how I got my unique thought by just simply looking around. So I was just in the grocery store shopping with my parents as usual. This is when I went outside and I saw on the very far corner a big red dumpster, and it was stacked to the brim with cardboard boxes. I didn't think much of it until my parents took me to Staples to buy cardboard boxes. Wait a minute, hold up. The math isn't adding up here. On one side, somebody is throwing away cardboard boxes, and on the other, someone like me is paying $50 to buy cardboard boxes. This is when I did a little bit more inquiry and I talked to some people and they're like, Amishi, there's a smarter way to do this. Go inside the grocery store and talk to the manager and say, hey, if there's any cardboard boxes, don't throw them away, just give them to me. And trust me, you get lots of cardboard boxes that way. And some people, they actually give away or sell cardboard boxes by posting it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platforms. And don't get me wrong, this works, but it doesn't work to the full extent. So my unique thought is that there should be some sort of digital network for card boxes, kind of like Uber or Airbnb. And yes, I know it sounds a bit weird and a little bit funny as well to have a digital network just for card boxes, but think about it. It's a win-win for everyone. Someone like me, if I have cardboard boxes, I could just put them there and someone who needs them can buy them or take them. Also, if there's any local producers, you can give cardboard boxes to them so they are not spending heaps of money in cardboard boxes, and hopefully the local produce also gets a bit cheaper since they're not investing in cardboard boxes. And I'm sure the grocery stores would be more than happy to give to the community and help its people and maybe have a little less environmental footprint. What do you think about it? And if you are someone who is startup savvy, maybe try doing a cost-benefit risk analysis on this. And if you like it, shoot it up. I'm not on any royalty here, you know? Anyway, if I was able to get my unique thought by just simply looking around, looking at the trash and how it's filled with cardboard boxes, I'm sure you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind always open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.